Hey everybody, this is Ritik. I'm BTech first year student at Lovely Professional University. Today is my purpose of making this video is like how to optimize your GitHub, because GitHub is the most important platform where all tech industry student or all BTech student must have knowledge about that, how to use that, how to optimize that and all. So that is the most important thing that we have to know all about that. So I'm going to show you today my profile that I have worked it on like from since last 2 months. Like I'm daily making repo over there, and I'm going to show it down like how GitHub repo just looks like. So this is my GitHub repo. You can see like this is the day, like you can say what make you have to, this is a green strikes. This is the day, like first step I have made on that this particular day. Like I have started or I have logged in on this day. So this is the 30th November. I have made 4 contribution over there. So what we have to do, like we have to make a green strike on daily basis on this. So what it is going to do is like when we make green strike, when it is going to make this green strike, like when we make contribution over this, so this is going to make a green strike. Like I have make contribution on 24 April's 2 contribution. Similarly, like this I have continued and I have continued all this week. Like this way I have make like how much I have make 24 contribution on this day. So this is more dark, you can see. So on the basis of how much contribution you have done, this green will going to be dark according to that. So I have worked on many projects. You can see over this a lot of project I'm going to make. So these are some projects you can see, and after this I am going to show you that how you optimize your GitHub and all. So the most important thing is like the point is like how to optimize your GitHub. So this I have shown you my profile. Like I have worked on multiple projects. So if you guys don't have a lot of projects, so what I have decided that I have started my DSA journey. Okay, so I'm going to learn all my DSA part from Apna College at Shraddha Didi on YouTube free lectures. What it is going to do, it is everyone knows that DSA is very important part and very important in college for placements in good companies like Mang and Fangs in that particular point. So I have started my DSA journey in my second year so from tomorrow, like 20 what day today is 6 July. So from 5 July I have started learning. So lecture 1 I have completed on 5th July. So after that what I am going to do for that, like I have made I'm going to show you my VS code. This is my VS code. Okay, so I have make a file, DSA, you can see over here. This is DSA file I have made, and in that I have made a playlist for lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. Like I have made a files for that. So on 5th July I have studied for lecture 1, you can see here. And what I have studied, like I have write over there hello world program. I have write over there typecasting program, that how to change that one data type to different data types in that particulars, and unitary operators like a plus plus, like post increment, pre increment, like that kind of things I have studied. And after that, how to take user inputs in C++, I have studied about that, and variables and all I have studied. So I make a particular files, you can say, for that. And after that what I have studied in lecture 1, I have made a notes.md file. What it is, MD file is like, yeah, it is like you can say commented file that it is going to show at your GitHub. Like I'm showing you that how it is looks like. I just what I've studied, I just make it all for that. And these are like there is nothing, this is something that this is empty files. When I'll study, I'll going to update all these. So this is how. And what I have done in that, I have connected my GitHub this VS code with my GitHub account. So you can see here, this is my GitHub account. You can see if you are not connected, there is written something else. So what it is, GitHub desktop, you don't have to make repo for a very, this is not a very harsh process at all. You generally have to do like, you're going to on GitHub desktop, you have to download your GitHub desktop and connect that particular file over there. So you can see by cloning here, you can add from here, like you have to make a new repo, or you can say if you make new repo, so you have to select here your path, like whatever path you select, file is going to made over there, and start put that open that file in VS Code and start doing your start making your files and start doing some things. So all that is, so I have connected this DSA over there. What I have to make, I have nothing to do. Whenever any change, this is connected to my GitHub. Whenever any change I am going to make, like in lecture 3, like if I have make any program bubble sorting, bubble sort .cpp, like I have made that file. I have learned the boilerplate code. So oh, sorry. Like I have written that this particular code. Okay, so let's see out what's happening. What's happened over there? Sorry. So you can see I have made that code. Let's see what change, what happens actually. You can see what this a change has observed from there. Like you can see a change over there. What we have to do, whatever we have changed, we have to create like you can say we have to put that mention what change we have going to make that in our repo. So like I have done like bubble sort problem. Okay, so we have to commit. If you want to commit, like normally we have to commit here and push that from here, but simple, this is on, this is simple thing. Okay, this is going to be fetched or GitHub, this is pushed on GitHub, and what it is you can see from here, like I'm going to refresh it down. So I have made that change. You can see I have typed here 2 comments over there. You can see like if I put that open, so you can see lecture 3rd bubble sort problem updated here. So that's all. Okay, now you have to make similarly like that. You don't have to make projects and all. You can simply, you have to make file on daily basis, and you can just normally put add there. That's all the point is. And after this, what is most important thing, like why I'm saying that GitHub is most important, like get DSA, like GitHub is most important thing that all the tech industry student must have the knowledge to how to use that, how to GitHub, how to make that. So that is the most important part. What is why it is important, like what is most important thing, like why it is important, like we have to mention our key projects. We have to mention our key projects. We have to mention our key projects in our resume, so that 2 or 3 key projects, that we have mentioned on our GitHub, that is on our you can say that is all updated on our GitHub. So that is the most important point. That's why we have to optimize everything, optimize your resume, optimize your GitHub. So that's the most important thing. So thank you so much. My laptop is not charged, it's 3%, it's going to close anytime. So thank you so much. Bye.